Today we'll learn about the safest and the latest technique for getting rid of cataract. We are talking about the robotic cataract surgery with AI. Doctors also call it FLEX or femtosecond laser assisted cataract surgery. It's a highly precise technique that uses femto laser and artificial intelligence. Since it eliminates the chances of human error, it is considered the world's safest cataract surgery. The latest machine for robotic cataract surgery is Zimmer Femto Z8 Neo, which is US FDA approved. Aimanta is the first hospital to introduce this machine or technology in North India. Now let's discuss in detail why robotic AI cataract surgery is better than other techniques, and we'll also do a cost comparison. But before that, let's understand what is cataract. Cataract is a condition in which our natural lens, which is normally transparent, turns white, causing blurry or poor vision. Cataract is a very common issue and almost every person experiences it after the age of 50 to 60. In early stage, it can be treated easily, but in later or mature stages, it can become slightly complicated to treat. If not treated in time, cataract can even lead to vision loss. The only treatment for cataract is surgery. In India, most cases are treated using MICS or phacoemulsification technique. In both these methods, doctor make a cut in the eye using a blade, break the damaged white natural lens inside the eye, and remove it and insert a new artificial lens. All these steps are done manually and depend on the doctor's skill. Naturally, there is a chance of human error like an inaccurate cut or improper breaking of the lens. In robotic AI cataract surgery, all these steps are performed with the help of robotic laser. This eliminates the chances of human error. The robot makes precise and calculated cut and also breaks the old lens. Let's now discuss all the advantages of robotic AI cataract surgery in detail. First is bladeless corneal incision. The first step in cataract surgery is making an incision in the cornea or outer layer of the eye. In phaco or MICS surgery, this incision is made using a blade. Blade cuts can often be uneven, causing discomfort or pricking sensation for a long time after surgery. In robotic surgery, the incision is made using laser without using any blade. This incision is extremely precise and accurate. Second, reduces the chances of astigmatism. Blade incision can affect the shape of the cornea, sometimes causing a power of 0.5 to 1 to appear. This is medically known as surgically induced astigmatism. So even if we use premium lenses to ensure no glasses are needed after surgery, the power induced by the blade cut can spoil the result. Since robotic surgery uses no blade, it eliminates the risk of induced astigmatism. That's why most patients who opt for premium lenses to remove spectacles prefer robotic surgery for better result. Third, cylindrical power correction. Talking about the cylindrical power, around 60% of cataract patients naturally have a cylindrical power of 0.25 to 0.75, and about 30% have cylindrical power of 1 or more. If your cylindrical power is more than 1, it can be corrected using toric lenses, but for minor power, that is 0.25 to 0.75 cylindrical power, no lenses are available. Cylindrical power disturbs an eye focus, making things appear blurry. This cannot be corrected with phaco or MICS, and the patient often needs minor glasses even after surgery. In Femto Z8 Neo, robotic incisions are made according to the structure of your eye in a way that minor cylindrical power are corrected. These calculations are done using AI. Eliminating cylindrical power improves focus after surgery. Next is precise capsulotomy. Capsulotomy is the second step in the cataract surgery. After making an incision in the cornea, the doctor creates a round opening in the lens capsule of the eye. In manual surgery, this cut may sometimes be off-center or irregular, or opening may even tear. With robotic laser, this step is extremely precise and centrally aligned, ensuring the artificial lens fits perfectly and delivers the best result. Fifth is precise lens fragmentation. The third step in cataract surgery is lens fragmentation, breaking the natural lens and removing it from the eye. In phaco surgery, ultrasound energy is used to break the lens. This energy can cause swelling in the eye and may damage surrounding structure. In robotic cataract surgery, this is done in a much safer way. The lens is broken into pizza slice-like pattern using a laser, making it easy to remove via suction. Femtozedit Neo uses a unique low-energy technique which is patented and not available in any other machine, reducing the risk of swelling and protecting surrounding structure. This means faster recovery and less irritation or swelling for the patient. Sixth is ideal option for mature or hard cataract. When patient delays surgery, their cataract becomes very hard over time. These are almost impossible or very risky to break using phaco machine. In such cases, robotic laser becomes the only safe option. As mentioned earlier, the laser can easily break mature cataract, keeping complication rates near zero. Last is smooth lens implantation. The final step of cataract surgery is implanting the artificial lens. Since Femtozedit Neo provides precise capsulotomy and lens fragmentation, artificial lens placement is also perfectly aligned. To summarize, since the laser machine is computer controlled, it works with extreme accuracy and precision, eliminating the chances of human error. Especially in cases where cataract have matured or the lens capsule is weak, femtocataract makes complicated cases much safer and smoother. Now talking about the cost, Imanta offers all three latest cataract techniques, phaco, MICS and robotic cataract. Imanta's vision is to provide the latest technology at the most affordable rates. While normally an additional charge of 50,000 is taken for robotic cataract, at Imanta the cost starts from 25,000. The lens cost depends on the type of lens you choose. So if you have cataract and want to get rid of it, call our helpline number and book your free consultation. For more information, you can also comment below.